So we're having our breakfast today. Single tall Rive signature hot chocolate and croissant. Tapos ang best thing dyan, i-dip nyo yun. I don't know. Pero may ano na niya. Strawberry jam and butter. Nagko-complement si strawberry, si chocolate. Tapos buttery ng ano, pastry. Compliment. Speaking of, I don't know bakit, for example, may certain smell ang isang person kasi it's been years, pero nung naamoy ko yung ano, yung pabango sa tricycle, wala lang, na-remember ko lang, share ko lang. Craving satisfied.